आज हम सीखेंगे habits good जो बनाए सबको strong और cute. Clap your hands, wheelie, stomp your feet. Good habits, super sweet.
Brush your teeth and take a bath. Study, eat right, walk, good path. Clean your room and sleep on time. Good habits make your life just right.
Brush in the morning sun. Brush till the day is done. Up and down and left to right. Clean teeth so shiny bright.
Bye germs. Hello smile. Brush your teeth in happy style.
Splash, water go round. Clean little feet on the ground.
Soap and bubbles, rub a dub.
Wash your hands and tummy rub.
Clean is cool, take dirty is bad. Bath time makes us super glad.
Open your book, time to read. Learning helps us grow with speed. Open your book, time to read. Learning helps us grow with speed.
A 4-apple key for ball. Good habits help us all. Read a line, read 2 more. Smart kids we adore.
Apple, banana, milk so white. Healthy food makes us strong with might. Carrot, roti, dal or chaval. Junk food, polo, bye towel. Chips say fast, fruits say power. Healthy food, hargan Pick up toys and clean the floor. Put your shoes behind the door. Rooms you'll clean, duty sweet. Good habits make life complete. Stars are shining, moon says hi. Close your eyes and don't be shy. Early to bed, early rise. Good habits make us smart and wise. Brush your teeth and take a bath. Study, eat right, walk good path. Clean your room and sleep on time. Good habits make your life just bright. Bye kids, mime, see you soon.